What's up? So Instagram introduced a new quiz feature to its Instagram stories. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quiz in Instagram stories. So let's make a story. I'll browse a picture. Okay, so Avengers just released, and I saw the end game. Let's post one story for Loki. Let's ask, did Loki died? You can give multiple choice, multiple option. For this case, I'll use two options, yes or no. You can use up to four options for your questions. So once you are done, you can drag and drop where you want this sticker to be. You can make it smaller, make it bigger. So once you are done with the location or resizing, then you click send, and here click share. On the bottom click done, and story posted. So let's check the story. So that's it. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can put a quiz in Instagram stories. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.